Asia Arena, we bring you the opening match in the women's division of your Season 77 UAAP Volleyball Tournament. Officiating this match, our first referee, Fernando Velarde, National Referee. Our second referee, Bob Molina, National Referee. Now let us meet the starters. First, for the UST Golden Tigresses. Number 10, Alex Cabanos. Number 18, Maravik Meneses. Number 15, Jessie De Leon. Number 16, Captain Pam Lastimosa. Number 8, Carmela Tunay. Number 9, Bryce rookie, E.J. Lowry. Their libero is number 12, Dercel Lozada. And the head coach of the Golden Tigresses, Eugene Mamon. And now, here are the starters for the UE Lady Warriors. Number 12, Rosel Maliton. Number 15, Jasmine Alhaide. Number 10, Shelo Grace Ramos. Number 4, Abby Panon. Number 11, team captain, Shaya Adonador. Number 6 is back, Lucette Dawes. Their libero is number 5, Kathleen Faith Arado. And the new head coach of the Lady Warriors, Francis Vicente.
Starting off one of his tall ladies right away, Rosel Baliton, a rookie para naman sa UST. Ochi Mamon also putting in his prized rookie right away. E.J. Lowry inserted into the lineup, the starting 6 para sa Tigresses.
That's correct. And makikita kagad nila, makikita kagad nating lahat, ano, kung ano nga ang dadalhin itong si Lowry sa UST and a very tall Baliton in UE. Pangkat?
Very.
About mga 6'1".
And ito yung napag-usapan natin, Mosey, off the air, no, na ang laking bagay para sa UE to finally, at least physically, they are intimidating and they, you know, physically they can match up against other teams in the UAAP. So you love that a team comes with a lot of heart. Pero, I mean, if physically you are at a disadvantage, malaking bagay na agad yun.
Tama ka dyan, Eric. And once you see, let's say, a 6'1", 6'2" player playing sa UE na hindi natin madalas nakikita, si Sue Roses na yung halos huli natin nakita, diba, na malaki, diba? So, ngayon, ito na naman we have. And a lot of tall players really coming in, and even Lucette Dawes is a tall player for Coach Francis Vicente. Kasi Coach Francis nga, di ba, sabi natin every game, ito yung mahilig mangolekta kasi ng malalaking players na very tall players.
But Pam Lastimosa with a very good start para sa Tigresses. 2 straight points, one from her attack and the second from an ace. UE trying to shake off opening game jitters. And right now, UST just poking holes sa depensa ng UE.
And De Leon with that quick hit. Yung mga mainstay nila, yung mga key returnees nila, they really have to put their game higher this year if they want to achieve that Final Four, at least, di ba, to be in that Final Four picture.
And Shaya Adorador finally breaks that scoring spell ng Uste and gets UE on the board. 1 serving 3 as we go courtside to Trisha Robredo.
When asked for her thoughts about missing the Final Four 2 seasons in a row, ang sabi lamang ni Carmela Tunay ay hindi na nila ito paabutin ng 3 pa. Kaya naman ibang klaseng preparations ang ginawa ng Golden Tigresses bilang paghahanda sa Season 77. They've had less appearances in the preseason tournaments as they focused instead on physically conditioning the girls and on getting everyone comfortable with a fairly different flavored system. While Coach Audrey Mammon feels that they've done all they could these past couple of months, hindi pa rin daw pwede maging overconfident. Kung lumevel up daw ang kanyang kupunan, siguradong lumevel up din ang kalaban. This is why he asked the girls to be ready for anything that comes their way. Now, for those of you wondering, Trisha Santos is officially out of this season's lineup as she has been declared unfit after undergoing appendectomy just a few days ago. As such, Patty Rasmus will be taking her place, and Coach hopes that he has prepared the girls enough to rise to the occasion. That's all for now. Eric and Mosey.
All right, thank you, Trisha. Well, speedy recovery para kay Patricia Santos.
Right.
And during that report, UE nagpakita ng konting depensa, no, at the net, Mosey.
That's right. That's kaya pinapansin natin yung height ng UE. Yung sinasabi mong point was an off the block, di ba? Point. It was a block point actually for UE.
For serving 2, nung last attack nila. Jessie De Leon, a lady who's really evolved into a multifaceted offensive player. Medyo malakas, adorador. So 2 back-to-back errors on the part of UE, and lumalayo ang UST dito. Let's go listen in to Yvette Din.
It's a fresh start. That's how the Eagle Lady Warriors describe this volleyball season. With a new head coach and coach Francis Vicente, the ladies in red are focused on getting back to the winning track and putting their 2 winless seasons behind. Before the game, the girls were in a light mood but were also in very high spirits. With most of the team rookies and sophomores, hindi may iwasan nakabahan.
Oh, wow. And gustong ayusin agad yun ni Coach Vicente bago pa sila malayuan. It's a 5-point lead for UST, 7 serving 2. That had no chance of going across with Tunay and Meneses at the net, Mosey.
That's right. But UST showing us that they're very steady right now.
And UST takes us to our first Kit Kat break. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Well, the Tigresses are playing extremely loose, and it seems like EJ Laure is gelling with her new teammates so far. Adorador, on the other hand, a couple of errors in the game, and UE find themselves down by 6 here, 8 serving 2. And Jessie De Leon has been in the service area for quite a while now, Mosey.
That's right, partner. And remember, Laure also came from the UST high school program, so yung transition is not, we expected the transition not to be much. Yun na kind of blending in well with the other players.
While on the other hand, this lineup of rookies ng, well, di naman lahat, no? May dalawang rookies kanina on the floor. Si Coach Francis Vicente, nagpapalit-palit na siya ngayon. Inugot niya yung kanyang rookie si Arado, si Baliton, pero si Arado yung libero nandiyan pa on the floor para sa UE.
Gusto mo lang makita siguro if you're Coach Francis because you have new players inside. You just want to see sino ba yung palaban dyan and ready to play today.
Dawis rejected. Ponon sets it up.
Still playable.
Laure, yes.
Laure easily taking that point via the down the line hit.
Instant replay from McDonald's. Don't miss a spike. Dial 86236 for a BFF chicken bundle. maaga pa lang, Mosey, ano, some of the problems na encounter last year ng UE, they're still struggling with. Medyo mabagal ang rotation sa depensa.